Record Entertainment. Steven Killerin. This one right here is called Honey and Handcuffs. Baby SK, aka Skittles, also known as Papaleo the Dawn. Styles Records. Yo, erotic, kinky, and exotic is the best. Nipple pinches on your breast. Sex doesn't have to be so complex. Pulling on the back of your hair and sucking the back of your neck. Doing it doggy style, making you smile. You said you liked it rough. You can never get enough. And Nichiwa, I call you bluff. I got the money for the honey and the handcuffs. That's our sex toy stuff. True. Now let's spread some honey on your bum. Fucking have some fun. Get stuck together like glue. Ah, ooh. Grab the shackle handcuffs. Ride me forward as I wrap the chains over your back down to your ass bottom. Gently massage your lower body. Running the chain over, up and down your ass as we fucking then turn you over cowgirl backwards, fucking me over and over in the kitchen, on the floor. You take the keys to the cuffs and lock me up. My jaw so up. Now I'm a prisoner to your love. You slide the keys down your blouse, saying to me, if you a good boy, you're so sexy. And I say you're so sexy too. I'll let you out and free till the next time we can get the handcuffs and do it again, Steve. So let's good time and have a good time. And I hope I'm free again and again. The energy to do it again. I was like a convict and you was my coochie cop. Oh my God, how we made that coochie pop non-stop. Ooh, honey and handcuffs. Honey and handcuffs. Honey and handcuffs. Honey and handcuffs. Yeah, I like it rough. Oh, should I pick the woman with the cock ring for me or the one who bounced on me backwards? I decide I like to ride. Come over, maybe later we can slide and do it again all night. Pussy so wet and so right. Give me the key to heaven so we can make another blessing pleasurable. Honey, don't you worry. I'll never forget the day we met. And Nichiwa, I bet, no bluffs. I love using honey and handcuffs. Honey and handcuffs. Honey and handcuffs. Honey and handcuffs. Yeah, I like it rough and that kind of stuff. Honey, handcuffs. Honey, handcuffs. Honey, handcuffs. Yeah, I like that stuff. I like it rough. Honey and handcuffs. Honey, handcuffs. Honey and handcuffs. Star Records Entertainment. Steven Killerin. Baby SK, aka Skittles, also known as Big Papaleo the Dawn, Honey and Handcuffs. Star Records Entertainment.